At age 5, they asked you a simple question. What do you want to be when you grow up? Doctor? Engineer? Lawyer? But no one ever asked you the most dangerous question. Do you want to be rich or just educated? Because the moment you entered school, your future was quietly decided. You were told a story. Study hard. Get good grades. Go to college. Get a degree. Get a job. Live comfortably. Your parents believed it. Your teachers believed it. Even you believed it. And for decades, this system worked. But here's the truth no one tells you. The world changed. Education didn't. Less than 1% of people ever reach real financial freedom. Not because they're lazy, not because they're stupid, but because they were trained to follow instructions, not to create value. In school, obedience is rewarded. In real life, obedience keeps you average. Think about it. School teaches exams, not money, not debt, not taxes, not assets. You memorize formulas, then graduate financially blind. You study for 20 years, graduate with debt, sell 40 years for a salary, and when you stop working, the money stops. That's not wealth. That's a golden cage. Degrees don't make you rich. They make you employable. And employable people make other people rich. Jobs dropped out. Zuckerberg left Harvard. Musk taught himself. Not because they quit school, but because they learned what school never taught. School isn't useless. It just wasn't designed to make you wealthy. It was designed for stability. Workers, consumers, taxpayers. If education made people rich, teachers would be millionaires. If degrees guaranteed success, graduates wouldn't be unemployed. Wealth today comes from skills, ownership, value creation, not certificates. So the real question isn't why am I not rich? It's this: who taught me the rules of money and who didn't? Because once you see the trap, you can finally escape it. Follow Truthdose. The truth hurts, but ignorance costs more.